Vegan Calling. Today I am going to show you cucumber noodles that also with spiralizer and without spiralizer. If you don't have a spiralizer, that is totally okay. You just need a wafer slicer and a knife. And this is a very good meal replacer. I almost have it twice in a week with any sauce of your choice. So for learning today's recipe, let's head to the kitchen.
For making this recipe, we'll be needing cucumber of your choice. It can be green or white or any other cucumber that is available in your market. Method 1. Using the spiralizer. Put the cucumber in the spiralizer and let the spiralizer do its work. It's very important not to remove peels of any of the vegetable. You can see I've not removed the peel of cucumber. This is much faster, but no need to spend so much money on this gadget. This was gifted to me, so I'm using it. You can do this with zucchini also, but zucchini is not available all around the year in India. So I prefer to use cucumber, which is available all around the year. This is the end result. Now let's look at the method 2. Take a cucumber, remove top and bottom part of the cucumber. Take a slicer and slice it. Watch for your hands, that you don't hurt your hands. You can do it with the rest of the cucumber. Keep on slicing it. And now we are going to stack it up and cut it. Oh, my cucumbers have become spongy because of this lockdown, so I am going to do it separately one by one. Just slice it. Slice it in the thickness which you want your noodles to be. It's very easy. It seems to be time consuming, but if your cucumbers are fresh, it does not take much time. The time is equal in washing the spiralizer and putting it back. It takes the same amount of energy. Take care of your hands, that you don't cut your fingers. Done. Now separate it and your noodles are ready. See how simple it is. Now let's head to the third method. Take a cucumber, cut it into half and put vertical marks with the help of knife on it. Take care of your hands. Again, my cucumbers have become very watery. Because of the lockdown, whatever I had, I'm using it to shoot this video. So here we have. And here also our noodles are ready. Let me do some more. And here we have our noodles ready.
On this channel, I'll be showing you whole plant-based recipes using no oil, no sugar and no dairy and no store-bought sauce or other packed foods.
And here is our first dressing, basil pesto. I've taken some cashew cheese. If you don't have cashew cheese, you can just soak some cashew nuts or any seed and blend it in the blender. Some basil paste. This is around 1/4 teaspoon of basil paste. In every winter, some garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of nutritional yeast, that is totally optional, 2 to 3 pinch of black pepper, oregano 2 to 3 pinches, chili flakes 2 pinches, and salt to your taste. Mix it well. In every winter I buy basil from the market, blend it in the blender and put it in the diffuser, and also I dry it so that I can use all around the year. Take your cucumber noodles. See how beautiful they look. Add this pesto paste. Mix well. Always remember, whenever you are just before eating, only mix it, otherwise it will become very watery and you won't enjoy it. So even if you are carrying to the office, separately take noodles and the dressing. And here is our noodles ready. Next recipe is satay sauce. Around 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 3 to 4 seedless dates soaked in water. My dates were hard, that's why I soaked it. Around 1 inch of ginger, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, half teaspoon of lemon juice, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, salt to your taste. I love very much spicy food, so I am adding a lot of chili. You can just reduce the chili, and around 1 tablespoon of water to blend. We are going to blend it in the blender. This paste, this sauce, I am going to use it for a week. That's why I have made a large batch. Now let's add the dressing in our noodles. Mix it well. You can add tofu, peanuts, coriander, or any choice of your vegetable. It tastes really yum. This dressing is close to my heart. I love this dressing. And here is our ready, very easy noodles, right?
Why not to put sauce that are sauce or dressing that we have bought from store, because it has got a lot of oil, sugar, and salt. If you know how to read the labels, always read the labels. You'll come to know that the first 3 ingredients are the most used ingredients in your dressing or sauce. So mainly it is oil, sugar, or salt, or water. So why we are paying so much for these things which are not good for our health? And again, they use a lot of preservative, identical flavors, and coloring. Thanks everyone for watching this video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe it right now and hit the bell icon and like button. Thanks.